Hey, it's a garbage truck. I can see it and smell it too. Wow, Tabs, even you think it's stinky, and you're a robot. Wait, where's that buzzing sound coming from? Oh, flies! Hey, those flies just flew into the garbage truck. I wonder, why do flies love garbage? Good idea, Tabs. We can go into the garbage truck to find out the answer. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out why flies love garbage. Shrinking down! Hold your breath, Tabs. We're going in. I'm in the garbage truck.
Welcome! I'm Horace the Fly. Looks like your first time here.
Hi, Horace. It's me, Blippi. This is my first visit to a garbage truck. Little stinky, huh?
Not for me. I love smells. Follow me. I'll show you around. This place is like my playground. Whoopsies. Sorry about that.
Hey, Horace. Why do flies love garbage?
Because it's delicious and garbage makes me fly. We've got stinky beans, moldy cheese, greasy pizza boxes, and even leftover mystery mush. Oops, sorry, must have been the beans.
I could give you a ride to the nearest garden or fly restaurant. Horace! Where are you?
Everything's coming up! Garbage! Oh, was that cake? Oh, no, that was not cake. Still good, though. Gotta dash and eat all the trash.
Horace has more energy now. Aha! Which means I think I have the answer to why flies like garbage. It's because they love the smell and they find food there. That's so silly. Upload answer, Tabs.
Yes, sir, Blippi. For me, a garbage truck is a 24/7 all-I-can-eat restaurant.
Woohoo! Go, Horace! Thanks!
Cheers, Blippi!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Tabs! That bouncy castle is out of this world! I wonder, what would it be like to bounce on the moon? Great idea, Tabs! We can go to the moon and find out! I'm gonna need a rocket booster, excavator arm, and frog legs!
Jets, excavator arm, frog legs, confirmed.
Okay, let's go explore! The Blippi Mobile is ready to blast off for adventure. And there's the moon! Yeah! Okay, time to land.
Hey, that tickles!
Who are you?
My name's Rocky the Moon Rock because, I'm a rock.
Hey, Rocky. It's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We're here to find out what it's like to bounce on the moon.
I never tried it myself, being a rock, but let me see if I can just get up!
All right, then let's bounce.
Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha! I'm light as a feather up here! I never knew I
that we're staying up here this long. Why does it take so long to float down?
Because of gravity! It's the invisible force that keeps your moon boots on the ground. It pulls things back down. But, there's way less gravity around the moon than on Earth because the moon is so much smaller.
That's why we float for so long. I have the answer to my question. What would it be like to bounce on the moon? It's so fun, and the bounces are really big because there's less gravity on the moon than there is on Earth. Upload answer tabs. We feel like we're floating, but gravity is slowly pulling us back down.
Cha, 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 cha. Thanks for the greatest time that I, Rocky the Moon Rock, ever had.
Bye, Rocky!
Keep on bouncing, Blippi!
Whoa!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye.